Hello friends, welcome back. Now we'll be doing problem 22 from 2074 RE109CC set. And in this problem, we have to find the total cost to fill the water. So that means we have to calculate the volume of the cylinder and hemisphere combined. So let's do it. Solution. First, let's draw the tank. So we have a cylinder. So the base of the cylinder is a circle, and at the top we have the hemisphere, right? And we can make this hemisphere, or we can just invert this shape, but it doesn't matter. And the relation that we need to be very careful and we need to use here is this part is from center to this edge is called radius, right? Radius of cylinder base, so it is radius r. So and this base is symmetrical to the base at the top, so this part will also be equal to r, right? Radius. And another important thing, since this hemisphere is perfectly fitted on this cylinder, uh, the length from this center to this part is also r, right? So because these both are radius, and now if we define all these things here, we can start the calculation. So what we are given is base area. So base area means area of this part, right? It's a circle, so base area is equal to pi r square, and it is given as 38.5 meter square equals to pi r square. So r is equal to 38.5 divided by pi root over, it gives radius is equal to 3.5 meter. And another important relation that is given here is the total height of the tank is 14 meter. So from here to here is 14 meter, right? But we already calculated the radius, so from here to here we know that it's 3.5 meter. So that means from here to here it is 10.5 meter. That means the height of the cylinder is 10.5 meter. So height of cylinder is equal to 14 minus 3.5 equals to 10.5 meters. So you don't have to show all these calculation of height on the figure, you can simply write like this. All right, and we have to find the volume. Now volume is equal to volume of hemisphere plus volume of cylinder, right? So volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube, that is the half of sphere, plus volume of cylinder is pi r square times as height of cylinder. Okay, don't use the total height. Let me shift this screen a little bit up. And so if we put the values here, 2 by 3 times pi times r cube means 3.5 cube, right? Because the value of radius is 3.5, plus pi times r means 3.5 square times height of cylinder is 10.5, okay, not 14. So if we do all these calculations, so the volume will be 494.08 meter cube. But this volume is in meter cube, and what we should know is 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. So the 1000 liter tank that you have on your rooftop is actually of the volume 1 meter cube. So 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. That means we have to multiply this volume by 1000 to get the volume in liters. So it will be 494,080 liter, right? Multiplying by 1000. And now we know the cost of 1 liter. So total cost is equal to cost per unit volume. That means the cost per unit 1 or cost per 1 liter, right, per unit volume times total volume. Since the cost is in liter and rupees, we converted this meter cube into liters. Otherwise there was no need to convert this meter cube into liters. Okay, so cost per unit volume means it will be 24 paisa per liter, right? So it will be 24 paisa per liter. So we divide it by 100 to convert it into rupees, right? So 24 by 100 is in rupees times total volume in liter, because this cost is in cost for is for volume in liter. So we write here 494,080. So if we do all these calculations, so it will be rupees, because we already converted paisa into rupees. So it will be 118,579.20, right? So total cost, this is our answer. All right, got it. Okay, let me just so it is make it small and so it in the same page here. All right, this is our answer. And yeah, that's it. Good luck.